Arlington in a great location, established neighborhood, mature trees. It's beautiful out here. And the location is great for commute as well. We're South Arlington, close to highway access, but also right into Mansfield, right to Fort Worth, hop on the highway to Dallas here. Just under 3,000 square feet. So we've got 2 separate living spaces, 2 separate dining spaces. There's really just so much room to spread out here. It is lovely. The other lovely thing about this home is the exterior. We've got a front and backyard full of drought-resistant plants. We have a remodeled kitchen, which is just gorgeous. Lots of counter space, so there's an island and then lots of cabinet space, stainless steel appliances with a beautiful view out to the backyard. Here we have 5 bedrooms. 4 of them are up, the master is down, 2.5 baths. And then in your master bath, which has also been remodeled, a gentle walk-in shower that you will fall in love with when you walk into this property. One of my favorite things about it is the size of the rooms. You've got bedrooms upstairs and down that are very large and are accommodating to many different lifestyles. The entire home is either tile or wood laminate, so their only carpet in this house is on the stairs, so it's very good for traffic and wear and whatnot. It's going to wear really well. I love the exterior of this home because we have, it's beautiful with some of the vegetation that, we'll call it that, and drought-resistant plants. So right now we're right in the middle of the hottest days of summer, and it's still thriving and really just gorgeous out there. So I hope you love it as much as I do. So I really hope that you'll come take a look at it. If you think this might be the house for you, or you know someone who it might be the right house for, please give us a call, shoot us a text, send us a private message. We would love to show it to you, and maybe this is your next home. It's gonna go fast. I think it's a good one. So give us a call and let us know. Thanks so much for watching, and have a good one.